Sharaf has been interested in sports since he was a kid. And growing up at 5 years, 6 years, he knew every footballer. He knew how they played, who they played. He could comment on them. Not only the footballers, he knew their wives and their girlfriends.
Fuado baba when yasika ekoye nsuomu nam restaurant ya manfo ne ntibida enrachi ya JohnMahama ba wanya adwuma da wotimi nya sika organize a boxing match ma Anthony Joshua mu nyina ba manfo ne boje so hwehwe wonya sika no wai
sane mpenfo aka ede ato ho no sade echi na ya nte asefofra na kire se chiwade kase pa na asie no emprempren ya o my Ghana mu asem asie na Ghana ni ba bi etwe na sere ne abasa no nina efri ya nkasa ema mpani His Excellency JohnMahama ono nkasa ne ba ye fe ne Sharaf Mohammed or company fe Legacy Rise Sports na sa Legacy Rise Sports no we into a sporting event organization with me organize a boxing with me so organize a football or also into a agency we play na person ko football team bi mu a with me ye tactics ni tratisa na with me football team a opesa okobo into sa Legacy Rise Sports no over the weekend ya na Bukom Arena boxing venue ya Bukom ya wakre ya na Sharaf Mohammed organizes boxing event be that's when the Battle of the Beast na sa Battle of the Beast no ya akukudam kase pa na ba ase His Excellency JohnMahama ba ase bi Ibrahim Mahama ba ase bi Anthony Joshua no so wakonto kwa yie pa ono so ba ase bi Zuma Nelson nipa tetiri bibi omuna de ekwase bi na ya abra boxing event na ba na wie no ade echi ya na Okatakyie Afrifa ono na for the records TV ne dia wo dia ba beto abonten se Ghana for nsha se mbusa questions se JohnMahama be di ade nche bia ne ba Sharaf Mohammed onya dwuma bia ba ne se na sa akwada ketewa we se etimye sika organize a boxing event etimi invite Anthony Joshua any akukudam ebase bi adwuma ben na sa brante no woye Ghana wo me musa ho sa questions we see na ye Okatakyie Afrifa sa twe Ghana afo adwene e de ko mu kakra se sa na mampanyina se wonte akunya so biem ado dankwa akufo ado ono so ne baba ye fe ne edwen na akufo ado ono so abra ne papa president no ofiri a was be restaurant or cantonment di enta so ne nsumunam na restaurant na eniema ne dai abawo ne kukurusi ho na ye dai ketoa ti say Okatakyie Afrifa se Ghana for entwe adwene enkosi ni ma bi so se ne ye ya adwene akufo ado ebedi Ghana sika taxpayers money edi wura nsumunam restaurant na Ghana for hwe ha nhwe ha no eni kwase Ghana for so tenase esa ye nhwe ha na Sharaf Mohammed so edi oman sika taxpayers money eko organize a boxing event na boy no woni adwuma bi o Ghana hasi kane papa ma di president ya enko wonya sika emfanye sa boxing event no na bra na papa nya president no otimi organize boxing event bi na enti asema Okatakyie Afrifa edi atudwa no na bra Okatakyie Afrifa de sa asema otudwa na Ghana for so ama asemu ache omo ye MP for no support asema Okatakyie Afrifa eka no ena omo so omo ye NDC for no so twa Okatakyie Afrifa ni na ne so omo so mchirem se abrante fe ne Sharaf Mohammed no ne papa sika bruta ne na nakra sa sika Ibrahim Mahama won modo ya abrante ne de na wura ne de ena ejebo ejanya ba biduru Mahama His Excellency ono ankasa ba abetu na mutuo era ba beto abonten se ne ba efe na Sharaf Mohammed no enye ne no sha se di football chi nye ne no sha se di boxing chi na kamia ye se na ni sports no dada o sha se ne nkwada birim na 5 years na footballers bi no bi a wife we no bi a teams bi ani ade ne se na kamia kwakwa se abrante na se ne ba efe na Sharaf Mohammed na ni ya kwakwa je boxing no ho ese na even the football activities no enti is a good thing na Ghana for de en support nti asema busanfo aba betodwa nti momentie asema aye JohnMahama His Excellency edi etudwa in response to ensema Okatakyie Afrifa edi betudwa say Ghana for hwe because omusika taxpayers money no na Sharaf Mohammed edi ne agency ya ofre Legacy Rise Sports ebusanfo mo refi say obe subscribe to the BBC Ghana.
Sharaf has been interested in sports since he was a kid. And growing up at 5 years, 6 years, he knew every footballer. He knew how they played, who they played. He could comment on them. Not only the footballers, he knew their wives and their girlfriends. He knew the referees, everybody. And it's he and his brothers who made me start taking an interest in football. I mean, I've never really been a fan, you know, when it comes to soccer, but he supported Liverpool. His other brother supports Man United. And then Shahi supports Real Madrid. And I found my children, anytime their team lost a match, they lost appetite, they won't eat, they are moody. So I started supporting all their teams and praying that they'll win their matches so that it will lift the mood of the children. And so, of course, when he decided that he wanted to go into football, I decided to let him follow his talents. So he played football for a while, and then decided that no, he wants to shift into sports management. And so he started with football, but he took an interest in boxing. And so now both are his passion, boxing and football. But it looks like the boxing world is taking control. But it's a good thing because we believe that Ghana has the talent and we can raise some world champions.
Fuado baba when yasika ekoye nsuomu nam restaurant ya manfo ne ntibida enrachi ya JohnMahama ba wanya adwuma da wotimi nya ska organize a boxing match ma Anthony Joshua mu nyina ba manfo ne boje so hwehwe wonya sika no wai but the entia we ne nya question of interest and say yes o ekofuado be ye bi timunya won so nya bi na me ne ho akoka timunya wo mo manfo ne betia ne na amowi kronfo ya wia wo mo awia a pente wo Roman father, man for anybody, no. Carpet, or mother swing an area. Says a goodwill now. Hey, one for you. Why are there? Organizing football, a boxing match, Anthony Joshua Maba, reviving our boxing. And can you say? Now, so the time, no, no more years old, a year, buy a fan to make man up, a dear fan to for the people. Hey, Sharaf, you. Go, woman, man for no so man. There's a man boka. Mofa, come over the crank, come to say, if you want wine service, move up and come.